Hi everybody, I hope you are doing great today. It is Thursday, September the 10th, and I am here to do my drawing for my kit collaboration from the Facebook group Crafty Manipulators. I am back from my trip to Utah where me and my husband and my youngest son went to see our two older sons who are at BYU attending college right now. And I gotta tell you, it was so fun and it was so neat to see the college campus, and it was so wonderful to get to see my boys there. And they hadn't been gone that long, but my heart was aching, and I have never been to Utah, and it's just amazing, all excepting the 14-hour drive home on Monday, which should have only been like 9 or 9.5 hours, but that's okay. So anyhow, there were 8 people eligible, so I'm going to show you who they are, and I'm going to have to get something to draw in. So Denise Solo Crafts, Andre Gould, Marianne, Blessed Hands Arts and Crafts, Gina Loves to Craft, C's Creations, Catherine's Crafty Corner, and Bonnie Myers, because you have to be a subby, you have to comment on every one of the videos and like the videos, and those were the ladies that did all of those things, and I appreciate these ladies for doing that, and I appreciate all of you who watched the videos and commented on the videos. And I don't comment on my videos where I'm doing drawings like this, because it makes it more, for my little brain, it makes it more difficult for me to keep track of things. So I heart the comments, and I really, really appreciate you guys subscribing and watching. So here we go. I'm folding these guys up. Okay. And I'm gonna grab, I have a little pumpkin over here that I just got at the Dollar Tree for the swap I'm in. He's cute, right? He's so cute. Okay, so we'll put these guys in here. Okay, oh, one more. Here we go. One more. I'm gonna mix, and I'm not gonna look. And we'll let that set to the side for a minute. And remember, this is what you're gonna be winning. It is all the stuff I made for the kit collaboration. One set of each thing I made for each week, okay? Okay, not looking, not looking. Okay, let's open the winner. Gina Loves to Craft, awesome. Okay, Gina, you are the winner to my giveaway for this kit collaboration. If you can DM me on Instagram, my name on Instagram is Maria Snook, S-N-O-O-K. If you can DM me your address, Gina, I'd really appreciate it. And let me know in the comments that you got this. I will wait for you, let's say till next Monday, Gina. So today's Thursday the 10th. So I will wait till Monday, which is sorry, looking at my calendar, the 14th. I'll wait till the evening on the 14th, Gina. And if Gina doesn't contact me, I'll do a redraw. But thank you guys so much. I really appreciate all of you. Take care. Have a great week. Bye-bye.